And you can quite easily fall into that. So one thing I often say to individuals, and I particularly do this with coaching clients as well, is like, if you've got a select few plugins like an EQ, a compressor, a reverb, metering, is to get to know those ones really, really well and fully understand what they do before you start reaching for another plugin that you think might solve the issue. Because I think a lot of the issues sometimes arise, specifically right at the beginning of your sort of mixing and mastering journey, is you've got an issue, or you can identify it, but maybe you're not at the place whereby you know how to fix it. And I think knowing like an EQ, for example, in Logic, like the Logic EQ, knowing it inside out and what it can do before you move on to another one is highly important. Does that make sense?
It makes a lot of sense. And I believe I've been doing that recently. I've done what you said too. I've seen people say, use this, use that. And I've used it because they said it. And I said, you know what? I'm going to stick with this first